Hi and welcome. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to remove unneeded desktop icons. So just for anyone who's really new to Windows, I'm just going to explain this just a little bit more in depth. So what I mean by is your desktop, this is your Windows 10 screen. So I'm talking about your desktop here. You'll notice that there's icons that are listed on my desktop. So basically what we want to do is we want to remove those or delete them. Now for anyone who's not familiar what a desktop icon is, just think of it like it's a shortcut to the actual program. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to delete the icons that you don't need. Now just keep in mind that even if we delete these icons, the program is still on the computer, so you're not going to lose the program. It's just the shortcut to the program. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So for instance, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this Logitech webcam. I don't need that on there. So what I do is I just take my mouse or my cursor. I'm going to just bring it up to the icon that I don't need anymore. I'm going to hover over it. Now you're going to notice there's this square that goes around it. That tells me that's the one that I'm going to select. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on my mouse or my trackpad. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to delete. So you've noticed that it's just deleted that desktop icon. So again, I'm going to go ahead and delete another one. So I'm going to go ahead and let's delete this Opera browser. So again, I'm going to take my mouse or my cursor, bring it over to this Opera browser, and I'm going to go ahead and hover over it. You'll see that it's outlined around it, so that tells me that it's the one that's going to be selected. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to right click on our mouse or cursor, and then we're going to go ahead and select delete. And there we go. We've just deleted our desktop icon. So if you have any questions, or maybe there's a tutorial that you'd like to see completed with Windows 10, please send me an email and we'll try to do a video for you. Chat to you soon.